click on settings icon, then scroll down and click on the system option, and then here click on add-ons, and then go to unknown sources, click on it, and then click yes, then go back to home screen again, then click on settings icon again. This time click on file manager, and then click on add source, and then here click on none. At this point you have to enter the URL that will allow you to be able to get this particular DIGGZ XENON build on your Fire TV device, and after that you have to click OK. So https DIGGZ1.me DIGGZ repo, and then click OK, and then click OK, click OK. Now go back to home screen again, then click on settings icon again. Now this time go to add-ons, click on it, and then here click on install from zip file, and then scroll down and click on DIGGZ repo, and then click OK, and then you have to wait for the wizard to install. And after installing, you have to click on install from repository, then click on DIGGZ repo, and then this down, scroll down and click on program add-ons, and then click on Chef Omega Wizard, and then click on install, and then click OK. Then you have to wait for the Chef Omega Wizard to complete installation, and after that we have to proceed to the next step. Please make sure you have VPN on your device if you are using any Kodi build. It's highly recommended. Use VPN with Kodi for safety, and make sure that you know that this video is for educational purposes. Okay, so yeah. So it's still installing. It's installing. It's still installing. You have to wait for it to finish. Now click close at this point. Click close, and then wait for you get a notification. When you see this notification, all you have to do is click no. You can click yes if you want, so that you can proceed to install this particular build. So when you click yes, it brings you here. So here we will choose the build we want to install. So you can see these are the list of the build you'll find within this particular build. So we are going to choose that one, DIGGZ AIO boss. Yeah, click on it, click OK, and then we have to start the installation process. So this is how you can easily have this build on your Fire TV, Android, and any device that supports Kodi, right? So it's quite easy. Yeah. It's still downloading. So after that, we proceed to the next level, which is restarting our Kodi app. This is quite easy to do. So these are the steps you have to use to have this particular build on your device. Please make sure you use a VPN. It's recommended to use a VPN. This is because, as we all know, Kodi is an open source software, right? And what this means is you can see a lot of builds from third-party developers and all that. So that is why I recommend using a VPN. There are a lot of VPN out there you can choose. IP vanish, .vpn, a lot of them. Just choose one that you can afford and then set it up and make sure that the VPN doesn't buffer, so that you experience smooth whatever you are doing with your Kodi software. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.